I mean, it's tough because you really have to think about how that works, and unfortunately, there's not a clear answer to that. Years ago, before AI was a big thing, there's a funny story about a photographer who was taking wildlife pictures, and the way that copyrights on photographs work is the copyright is automatically in the name of the person who took the photograph, right? And in this case, the photographer was doing an experiment and he left the camera out for this group of monkeys to interact with. And one of them picked up the camera and took a selfie. And if you Google monkey selfie, this image will come up. And if you're as old as me, you'll probably recognize it. But it was a very famous image. And somebody took that image and used it for themselves. And the photographer sued and said, I have a copyright. And the court said, well, actually, you don't, because even though it was your camera and even though you sort of set up the scenario, the animal picked up the camera, pushed the button, and took the picture. And an animal can't own a copyright, and so it can't even be transferred to the photographer. So the photographer didn't own the copyright, and anyone was free to use that picture without paying royalty.